Oke guys, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah today I want to make Scale English. The, the title is Portfolio or CV presentation script. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to introduce myself and explain my curriculum path. My name is Rehan Nazifi Disira, and I am currently a student who is passionate about software development and technology. I have a strong interest in web development, and I enjoy learning new programming skills as well as sharing knowledge with others. I live in Bandung, West Java. Since I entered a vocational high school, I have focused on improving the technical skill, especially in web programming. I believe that technology is very important in today's world. That is why I decided to take the software development major. I want to build a simple digital product and continue growing as the developer. Now I will explain a little my experience. Even though I am still a student, I am still a student. I already have experience as a software engineering trainer basic. My first experience was at SMKN to Kota Serang in February 2025. I taught HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for today in here. In this training, I explained the structure of HTML. I taught students how to design website using CSS, and then I introduced basic JavaScript to make a website interactive, and then I guided them in creating simple web projects. This experience, I improved my communication skill and confidence. Teaching others helped me understand programming more deeply. My second experience, I was teaching at PT Sidik, also as a software engineering trainer basic. In November 2024, this training lasted for 3 days. Here is also taught HTML and CSS and JavaScript because it was a professional improvement. I learned how to adjust my explanation depending on on the audience. From both experience, I learned public speaking, leadership, and responsibility, and problem solving. I also learned that teaching is not only about knowledge but also about uh, attention and clarity. Now I will explain my education. Currently, I am studying at IDN Backpacker School Sentul as a software developer student since June 2024 until now. At this school, I study web development, front-end design, programming logic, and project-based learning. Before that, I studied at Pondok Pesantren Minhajul Haq for Junior High School. My educational journey helped me build discipline, consistency, and strong learning mindset. I also have some certificate. First, I have a responsive web design certificate. This means I understand how to create websites that work well on different devices such as smartphones and computers. Second, I have a HackerRank Basic React certificate. This so that I understand basic React concept like components and states. This certificate shows that I am serious about improving my skill. Now I will explain my skill for programming, HTML, advanced CSS intermediate, JavaScript intermediate, PHP intermediate. I can build structured websites, style them properly, and add interactivity using JavaScript. I also understand basic back-end logic using PHP. For tools and framework, Bootstrap Basic, Tailwind Basic, and Figma Basic. I use Figma to design user interface before developing a website. For language, Indonesian native, English intermediate, and Arabic intermediate. I am continuously improving my English because it is very important in programming and international communication. My strengths are a fast learner, confidence in public speaking, good communication skill, passionate about technology, responsible and disciplined. Having a teaching experience as a young makes me more confident and prepared for future challenges. Future goals. In the future, I want to become a professional software development. I want to master a modern technology and work on real-world projects. I want to keep learning and growing because in technology, learning never stops. In conclusion, I am a motivated student with experience in teaching basic web development toward technical foundation and a passion for continuous improvement. Thank you. This is for me. Thank you for attention. Shukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.